mga fishies! Good morning! Good morning guys. So it's a Monday morning. Ayan, happy Monday morning. Mga busog na sila. Hindi mo nagkaon. Nagpundo na lang sila dali ng area. Yay! Ayan, fountain. Ang gubot ang harang guys. Okay, si Johnny moabot diha sa atong motor. Ayan mo nagmotor na to, no? A3000 gob-on tanan. That's how Johnny works. Thank you guys for watching my Monday Reels. Thank you.